If Firefox keeps crashing, freezing, or closing unexpectedly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 simple fixes that solve the most common causes of Firefox crashes, and I'll keep it nice and easy to follow step by step. These methods can help whether Firefox crashes on startup, while loading websites, or just randomly during normal browsing. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is clear your browsing cache. Cached files are supposed to help websites load faster, but if that data becomes corrupted, it can actually cause Firefox to crash. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete on the Mac. That opens the clear history window. From there, set the time range to everything so you remove all cached data. Then make sure you only check cache so you don't accidentally delete anything you want to keep, and click Clear. Once that finishes, restart Firefox and see if the problem is gone. If Firefox is still crashing, the next step is to try Troubleshoot Mode. This is really useful because it turns off hardware acceleration and disables add-ons temporarily, which helps you figure out whether one of those is causing the issue. To do this, click the menu icon in the top right corner, then go to Help and select Troubleshoot Mode. Firefox will ask you to restart, so click Restart. After it reopens in Troubleshoot Mode, use it normally for a little while and see if the crashes stop. If Firefox works fine here, then the issue is likely caused by an extension, theme, or hardware acceleration setting. Now let's move on to another common fix, updating your graphics drivers. Outdated or broken graphics drivers can cause all kinds of browser instability, including random Firefox crashes. On Windows, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Then expand Display Adapters so you can see your graphics card. Right-click it and choose Update Driver. Let Windows search for an update and install it if one is available. After that, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. This step is especially important if Firefox crashes when playing videos, scrolling websites, or opening pages with a lot of graphics. If none of that has worked so far, the next thing to try is Refresh Firefox. This gives you a clean reset of the browser while still keeping important things like your bookmarks and passwords. It's one of the best fixes when Firefox becomes unstable over time. To do it, type about support into the address bar and press enter. On that page, look for the Refresh Firefox button and click it. Firefox will guide you through the refresh process, and once it's complete, your browser should feel like a fresh install without losing your essential data. After refreshing, give Firefox another test run. In many cases, one of these fixes will stop the crashing completely. If the browser was crashing because of bad cache, troublesome add-ons, graphics driver problems, or a damaged profile, this process should clear it up. If this video helped you fix Firefox, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having issues, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.